Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna cover who am I, academic life, professional, experience, and family. I'm Davilson, but people call me Dave. I'm 26 and my birthday is on August 4th. I was born in São Carlos, São Paulo. I'm a graduate computer engineer at University of São Paulo. There, I met programming, so I perceived that it was what I wanted for my life. I studied English course of Idiomas. I love it. I live with my wife. Her name is Sarah. She's a nurse. We are living together since September 2019. We have an apartment in Paradise Garden, São Carlos-SP. I don't have a big family. I'm an only child, and my wife is an only child too. But we have many uncles, aunts, and cousins. I visit my parents on Sundays. My mother is extremely strict. She sends me messages every day. But she is generous. My father is a humble person and generous too. I'm adaptive and flexible. I have some skill. I love technology. I'm able to program and I'm very good at it. I learn with ease and I can play table tennis. I'm not very good in history and I dislike geography, but I'm very good in mathematics, which helps me in programming. I can use a computer very well. Like I said before about programming, I studied with video course and articles. I worked as trainee at Speedsoft and after at Billion. The two companies I worked with PHP, CSS and JavaScript. And now I work at Volkswagen, but I'm looking for a new job in my area, in programming. I love new experience, listen to music, watch movies, series, and sometimes play games. My favorite series at the moment is Manifest. I expect to be successful in my area and someday to be a great programmer. That is a little about me. For more information, you can check my CV again. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon.